I'm Shiva Rallapalli, the founder and CEO of Immerge. And what we're building is a digital therapeutic. So it's a regulated medical device that's used in the field of pain management and rehabilitation. It doesn't matter what background you have, who you know, it's the patients and the customers that finally dictate how well your product does or not. And our device is a B2B2C, right? Our customers are hospitals, rehab centers, etc. But the end user is the patient. So that complicates things a little bit because you have to cater to the customer, but also make sure that the patient is taken care of. I think the accelerator was important from day one for us because I live in the US and I first started developing this technology for the US market. And when we decided it was time to bring it to India, we didn't know much about the market and we had a built product that wouldn't fit right away into the Indian market. One of the things that I learned about the accelerator at that point was they said, hey, one of our primary focuses is to help founders and companies from outside of India to bring in products and contextualize that to the Indian market. So we took advantage of that. That was a huge help because some of the insights that we got and the guidance that we got from the accelerator on, hey, maybe you should focus on this segment or this segment won't work out like in the Western countries, etc., was invaluable, and we avoided a lot of missteps because of that. Access to investors, access to potential channel partners, all of that is very important. If somebody were to do that without this help, you can easily add another 10 years to your progress, right, to get to some of the milestones that you can get with the accelerator. I think it is a myth that if you're a founder of a startup, that you have to exhaust yourself and put in 60, 80, 90, 100 hours a week to make things happen. I think your health, your family time, and your well-being is not worth sacrificing, and you don't need to sacrifice that in the first place, and you can find the balance. And when it comes to the business itself, right, of the startup, you have to be data-driven. You cannot make decisions and work on things and try to wing your way through the market or your product development, etc. And don't be afraid. One of the decisions could be, I have enough data to tell me that this idea is not going to work in any segment, so I'm going to drop it and completely come up with something new. It's not a taboo to fail. In fact, you're doing something that very few people take the risk to do.